Hello everyone, Dr. Joan Coleman here, owner, director of LetMeBeMe, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages. Today I want to talk about staying present. I've been learning how to stay present and I'm learning this through doing yoga, and there's a time on the mat where they give you a moment. They're always telling you to stay in the present moment, stay in the present moment. And you think, what does that mean? It's so hard because many of us are thinking about the next thing we have to do. We have to go grocery shopping. Oh, I have to do this. I have to pick up the kids. I have to go to back to school night. We have so much to do that it's very difficult just to lay still and stay in the moment. So what do? We practice. We practice how to be still. It's not an easy thing. I'm telling you that right now. But it takes practice just to sit there, just to clear your mind, and just to let your peace come in and think about some things like where you are in the moment, how your body feels, what feels good to you. And oh, I closed my eyes. I was in a moment. But that's what you have to do. Let me read you this quote from Eckhart Tolle. To stay present in everyday life, it helps to be deeply rooted within yourself. Otherwise, the mind, which has incredible momentum, will drag you along like a wild river. And that's what happened to us. We don't stay still enough. We're not in the present enough because there's so much to do. There's so many places we have to be. And so we don't take time to still ourselves and to be present. Friends, I'd like to invite you to practice being present. I'm telling you, it's not going to be easy, but you could do it. Just be still, close your eyes, breathe, and just feel every part of your body when your eyes are closed. See how you're feeling. Check in with yourself. I guarantee you that you will be glad you did. Anyways, I hope you take heed to what I say and practice staying in the moment. This is Dr. Joan Coleman, owner, director of LetMeBeMe, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages.